At Ketty Nursery, you might be surprised to learn that we grow the strawberry plants, not the berries. In our greenhouse, we have 20 different varieties that will get planted into the field. These varieties are bred for taste, for storage, for color, for everything that a consumer looks for when they see a berry on the shelves. One of my favorites is the Wendy, and when you taste the Wendy, it tastes like everything that first local strawberry should taste like. Our goal at the nursery is to produce the highest quality plants we can, disease-free and pest-free. So when our plants get to the farmer throughout North America, they can plant our plants in the ground and have a successful growing season to produce the berries on their farms. We start in the lab with a cutting and propagate in there, and eventually they come into the greenhouse where they are grown as our foundation stock. So clean, disease-free plants that will eventually go into the field. If you hear the term plant propagation, all it means is making more from the original. So we use asexual reproduction here. So we're looking for a genetic replica of the original plant. Vegetative reproduction, or strawberry reproduction, is a great example of asexual reproduction because we start with a mother plant who then sends a shoot off, which we refer to as a runner. That shoot then produces another plant, which we call the daughter. The daughters are the plant that will form the crop and produce the berries that you're going to buy in the store throughout the year. The plant we begin with, or our mother plants, come from Agriculture and Agri-Food Canada because we know it's the right variety with the right traits that we're looking to plant for our future crop. Our daughters from here then go into the field where they become the new mother and produce more daughters, which then become our crop that we will then ship to farmers. Part of producing a top quality plant is a certification process that we go through. Scouts will come out and walk the fields and look for any disease or pests, and this allows us to ship throughout North America safely. In the field, we have upwards of 40 employees who are responsible for making all this happen. They spend all summer running irrigation, which waters our strawberries and ensures they are growing well. They are getting rid of the weeds, which helps ensure we're not shipping weeds to our customers down the road. They are clipping blossoms, which when you clip the blossom, it takes the energy away from fruit production and puts it into the plants so they produce more runners. And our spray program helps reduce pest pressures and disease pressures, ensuring a top quality plant for farmers. At harvest time, it's our busiest time of year. We have nearly 80 people in the field at that point, and everything is done basically by hand. We have one tractor that goes through and lifts the mothers and the daughters out of the ground. The dirt is shaken out of them with a pitchfork by hand. They then go into a warehouse where they're packed by hand. At that point, the employees will get rid of the mother plant and pack our daughters in bundles of 26 into boxes of 500, and that's what's shipped across North America. When our berries get shipped to Florida, they are bred more for being able to ship and being able to store on the shelves. So in winter, when you're at the grocery store and you see Florida strawberries on the shelves, it's very likely that those came from Nova Scotia plants.